I think what came a lot later and that I'm still discovering is just how scalable and flexible this underlying structure is. 3 weeks ago, I was on medical leave and I had a situation to deal with. And my project list zoomed down to literally 2 projects, like manage this medical situation and I think one more thing. And it was perfect for that. And now I'm back at work and I have 50 odd projects, work, home, etc. And it's scaled up to that. And it continues to amaze me just how fluid and flexible it is. It's an underlying structure that you then take and you apply to whatever your context is. And I often talk to friends about it. And I have a friend who's a housewife and who's made some comment about how is that going to be relevant to me? And I actually said, you'll be surprised. You'll be amazed at how it's not meant for just people in corporate jobs or these kind of people. It meets you where you are. I think it's fascinating. I'm still discovering it.